Hello friends, this is your crypto sats. So hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna teach one of the Martin indicator strategy, which I have kept the name like a Satz strategy. So I will teach you about that, how to take a trade, where to place your stop loss, how to take your targets, everything and all. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and join our Telegram channel. Link in the description, or this is our link at Martin Trades, our Telegram channel. So let's see. So for this we would need like two indicators, which is Martin stochastic trend and a Martin trend meter, and support and resistance for your supports and resistance to find it out. But as of now I'll not show that. So we'll just see how this strategy works. So I have taken a pair of AUD CAD 1 hour time frame, so we take a good swings out of it. So let's review it. So basically for this strategy, what the two things you gotta need is, like, you have to wait for a candle close. Like example, I'll show it over here. So I've just went it back. So here, so I'll play one sec. Oh shit, sorry. So in this case, yeah, in this candle, everything has closed green, which means Martin stochastic trend has closed green, and Martin trend meter also 3 bars green, which is a valid buy signal for us to take a good long. So yeah, so that's a valid green signal, long signal, sorry. So in this case, see here, in this part of time, Martin stochastic trend has turned green, and Martin trend meter is also sorry, 3 bars green. So we take a long position at the open of the next candle. So this is the next candle, so we take a long at the open of the next candle, and we place stop loss either 8 bars, previous 8 bars high or low, depending on which you are taking a trade, long or short. So if you are taking a long, we are gonna place our stop loss below the lowest point of the previous 8 bars. So previous 8 bars, or like you can keep your stop loss before the previous structure low. So in this case, so we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the lowest point on the all the 8 candles. So counting backwards, 8 candles lowest point is this one, so we keep a stop loss over here, and we take a 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. So example, I'm long it over here. So my stop loss is somewhere, so perfect, 0.86, and my target would be 1:1. I will take, so 0.86. So that's a good 125 pip trade. So let's make it play. Let's see how it works. Oh, bingo. So here our targets clearly hits, you can see. So this is how the strategy works. So I'll show you a couple of examples so you could get a hold over it. So let's take it off. So I'll just go full screen so you guys understand it better. So we would go back, we'll count it from over here. So in this case, we have a long signal over here, which is a one candle close. So in this part of time, the everything Martin stochastic trend has turned green, and our Martin trend meter is also 3 bars green, which is a valid buy signal. So we long at the open of the next candle, which is hardly over here. So we are longing over here, and we are taking the stop loss of previous 8 candles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So lowest point is this, so we'll place our stop loss over here. So we could have placed our stop loss over here. Sorry, this is a past data, so or else I could have just rewind it and show you. So our stop loss is over here. We take sorry, not here, here, and we take long position of 1 to 1x. So 1:1 ratio risk reward, so 0.33, 0.33. So that's a target hit. So this was a valid good buy signal, so we'll just check next. So our trade ended up over here. So again another, here we have a buy signal. So let's check that. We long at the open of the next candle, which is over here. Stop loss below the previous 8 bars, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So lowest point is was this one, so we keep our stop loss over there. We take 1 to 1 ratio, longing here, stop loss 40%. Well, that was a target hit, so this was a good long signal. So let's go over next, and again we have a long signal over here, so let's review that. I'll just take it out. So another long signal was here, this candle. So here everything is green, so you might have 100% longed it. So all and long entries over here. We take previous 8 bar as a stop loss, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Obviously this is the stop, so we place our stop below, slightly below, so you just don't get stopped out of the support or like a wick or something. So we take a long, .49. I think we missed this. Yeah, we missed this one. Just like with 20 15% we missed this trade, so never mind. So let's review the next long signal we have. So we got stopped out, we have stopped out nowhere, so I'm gonna just leave this choppy market and let's move on to this one. We have a long over here. So assuming this was a failure trade, this was a failed long, so let's move on to next one, which is we have a short over here, this place, this particular place. Assuming you have missed this long or something like that, just in case I'm showing you the longs and shorts, but you exit a trade when your stop loss, either your stop loss gets it or a target hit gets it. So you don't enter, if you have example you have longed over here, if you get a red thing, short signal, you don't enter that, because you're gonna wait for your stop loss to trigger. Until that your trade is on, so keep this point in your mind. So next we take a short over here, open of the next candle, which is here. I'll mark this as red, and stop loss previous 8 bars, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is our stop, and we take a short position 0.17%. Bingo, that was a perfect target trade, so targets were hit, so good short signal. And after that we get a long signal over here. So watch this video till the end, because there are some situations when you don't know where to keep your stop loss or how to manage your trades, so it will be useful. So we take the entire structures, so we see how it had worked in the previous. Okay guys, so we have a long signal over here. We are gonna long it here, so I'll change it to green. Stop loss previous 8 bars, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so this was the lowest point, so we keep our stop over there. We take a 1 to 1 ratio long, so 0.29. Yeah, bingo, this was a perfect trade, so perfect long. And we have a short over here, so with your naked eyes you can see it was a perfect short signal and your trades were perfect. So just have a short over here, so we short at the open of the next candle, so I'll just change it to red. Previous 8 bars or previous structure highs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In this is where you get choppy, because when you see stop loss is very nearby, so you either take your previous, because these are like a choppy market, because there is a confusion in the market whether the bears will win or the bulls will win. So in this case you take the previous structure high, either this one is a previous structure, or either this, so you can take any stop loss here. So just when the market is choppy and you get a signal, you take, and your stop loss is very nearby, so you just consider taking the previous structure highs, or so this one was the previous structure high or this one. So assuming this as a stop loss, so we take, or this as a stop loss just in case, so we take a short over here. Our stop loss is 58%, taking 1 to 1x, so this was a good short signal. So this is what I told you to watch the video till end. So what to do if you get like this kind of price action where there's a confusion in the market, so it's just a choppy market, so consider taking the previous structure high when your stop loss is very nearby. So let's move on to next one. So we have a long signal over here. This was a good fall, but it would have took out many loose hands, weak hands. So but when you have Martin indicators and your strategy in your hand, so no one can fail you. So we take a long over here, presuming as this is a good buy signal, everything closes green, so we, oh not this one, this, so we take the long position at the open of the next candle. So stop loss is, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so stop loss either this or this, so presuming that as a stop loss, I'm taking a long over here. Stop loss below the previous structure low or previous 8 candles, 0.85. Well, that was a very good trade, around 157 pips. That was a very hell of a trade. So this was a bingo, target hit, so this was a valid good signal, buy signal. And next we have a long signal over here, here and here, so we long at the open of the next candle. Stop loss previous structure, previous 8 candles, so this was our stop loss. We take a long over here. This is very simple and easy and most powerful strategy, guys, so you don't mislead by any wrong information you get in markets. Many people, they just are confused when to take a trade and when not to enter a trade, so this strategy will help you in every kind manner. So see, this one was a target hit, so this was a bingo trade. Next we have a long over here, and these indicators never repent, friends, guys. one shown is shown. Oh yeah, so we take a short long over here, assuming this is a valid buy signal. Long stop loss here, structure low, long 60, 1 to 1, and our target hit on the next two candles. That was a very good one. So if we take a total of our trades, we have 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 signals. Out of 9 we have lost one signal, which is a failed long, which we failed over here. So it's a very good risk reward ratio. So let's check, like, I'll just show you one example, so not to make this video long. So in here, just take out this, let's go full screen. Yeah, we have a long signal over here. We take long at the open of the next candle. So next candle open was this. Stop loss below previous structure low, or 8 candles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in this case you could have placed your stop loss over here, because as I said, when your stop loss is very near and the market is choppy like this, which is like a sideways action pattern, you take either the previous structure low. So previous structure low was this one, so we take this as a stop loss, and we take a long over here. Stop loss 1 to 1, 0.52. Good. So this was a target hit, 58 pips in our bags. So this is how you trade, guys. So again, we got a long signal over here, and let's see how it wins. So I'll show you a live one, so how to take that. This was a long, here, stop loss either this or this. I'll just take all as this as stop loss, saying the downward to upward move, and long position. So my targets will be around 1.14158. So this would be my targets for this trade. Let's see, hope this wins. So there are multiple trade opportunities you have got using the strategy and these indicators. So if you want, so that's it for this, guys. So hope you guys understand the strategy, how it works and how it not. So how to place your targets, how to place your stop loss, how to manage your trades. So hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you want the Martin indicators, you can contact me. So I'll show you my website. So this is my website. So you can buy your bundle of 8 Martin indicators, which you get all these 8: support and resistance, trend trader, momentum lines, auto trend line, drop coming, rise coming. So I get all 8 of this Martin stochastic and trend meter. You get all 8 of this in my website. So even this is in the description. For you need to buy, just click buy now. You'll redirect it to the next page. Just click the buy now, and you will have all the indicators I'm giving you. All these are for lifetime access, guys. So go to checkout, and you can PayPal. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. Thank you. All the best.